All right, guys, last week we read short A words that had the sound A in the middle. This week we're going to read short O words that have the sound ah in the middle for short O. So let's look up at the top. You can probably see my mouse moving at the top, the arrow. Look at the little needle that's pricking the balloon. So we're going to read the word pop, op, pop, pop, like pop the balloon. Now let's go to the next one. This little girl looks like she's crying, but she's crying a lot. There's another word for that. Let's sound it out right here. Sob, sob, sob. If you sob, you are crying very, very, very loudly and a lot of tears. Let's look at this next one right here in the right corner. Pot, pot, pot. You see the pot right there? Good. Let's go down just a couple more. Let's look at this one right here where my cursor is pointing. Right here at the M, the green dot, we're going to go op. Try that again. Op, mop. See the picture of the mop? Mop. Now let's look at this crazy little animal. Well, I know it has to have an ah in the middle, and if I go to this word right here, I see the letter F. So that makes the sound. So let's see what animal this is. Ox, fox, fox. That's a silly picture of a fox, but that's the word fox. Look at this person right here in the blue uniform. If I go right above the hat, we can sound out k, op, k, op, cop. See the cop? That's another word for police officer. And then one more down at the bottom, right here, right where my cursor is pointing at the green dot, we have the letter L. Ol, og, ol, og, log, log. So that's how you read these short O words. Remember, we start at the green dot, go to the yellow dot, and then stop at the red dot. Always start at the left where the green dot is, and we read the sounds from left to the middle to the right. Okay, remember green, yellow, red, just like a stoplight. All right, great job.